In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a ManyChat account. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting your ManyChat account is permanent. This action removes your data, stops all automations, and disconnects any connected channels. If there's anything you might need later, like subscriber lists, flows, or campaign stats, consider exporting it first. Also, make sure you're signed in with an account that has the right permissions, and double-check that you're working in the correct workspace, especially if you manage more than one. Start by opening your browser and going to the ManyChat dashboard. Sign in as you normally would. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can see your bots, automations, and recent activity. From here, we'll head straight to the area where account settings are managed. Look to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This opens the control center for your account, where you can manage general preferences, team access, billing, and other foundational options. If you don't immediately see it, try expanding the sidebar or scrolling down a bit, depending on your screen size. Inside Settings, choose the General section. This tab holds core account controls and is where ManyChat places options that affect your entire account, not just individual bots or flows. Take a moment to skim what's here so you understand what else you might be adjusting alongside deletion, especially if you're maintaining other projects. Now locate the Delete Account option within the General settings. It's typically placed toward the bottom of the page to prevent accidental clicks. When you select it, ManyChat will prompt you to confirm. Read the confirmation carefully. You may be asked to acknowledge that your data and automations will be permanently removed. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed and only continue if you're absolutely certain. A couple of practical tips as you confirm. If you have any active subscriptions tied to this account, make sure you've addressed them to avoid future charges. If you're part of a team, consider notifying collaborators so they're not surprised by the change. And if your goal is simply to stop a single channel or bot, it may be worth reviewing whether disconnecting that channel is enough, rather than deleting the entire account. Once you confirm, the account removal process begins and access will be revoked. That's it. You've successfully deleted your ManyChat account. If you ever need ManyChat again, you can create a new account from scratch and rebuild only what you need with a cleaner slate.